Looking for a gas chainsaw that packs a punch but won't cost you a fortune? Today we're diving into the best budget options that deliver serious performance. Geithan gas-powered chainsaw, one of the best budget chainsaws I've tested recently. Right from the start, its impressive power and easy handling caught my attention. It features a sturdy two-stroke engine that runs smoothly and starts quickly, which is a total win when you don't want to waste time pulling the cord endlessly. This chainsaw has a well-balanced design that makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, and the 20-inch bar lets you tackle medium to large branches without struggling. The chain stays sharp through multiple cuts, and the automatic oiling system keeps everything running efficiently. Using the Geithan feels surprisingly professional for such an affordable saw. You'll appreciate how it cuts through wood cleanly and with minimal vibration, reducing fatigue. Can you imagine how much easier your yard work will be with this reliable tool by your side? Supmix Tools. Gas chainsaw impressed me right away with its compact yet powerful build. It's designed for users who want efficiency without complicated setup or maintenance. The engine revs up quickly and offers consistent cutting power, which is perfect for a variety of household tasks. Equipped with a 19-inch blade and a durable chain, this saw cuts through branches and logs with ease. Its ergonomic handle provides a good grip, helping you stay in control even during tougher cuts. Plus, the safety features give peace of mind, especially if you're new to gas chainsaws. What really stood out is how smooth and precise the Supmix Tools feels in hand. It doesn't just get the job done, it makes you feel confident doing it. Ever wonder how much time you could save with a reliable saw that never lets you down? Salem Master Gas Chainsaw delivers surprisingly strong performance for its price point. I was impressed by how quickly it warmed up and how well it maintained power during continuous cuts. This chainsaw is a solid pick for homeowners who want a reliable tool for trimming, cutting firewood, or clearing branches. The Salem Master features an 18-inch bar, which is ideal for both light and moderate tasks. Its robust two-stroke engine runs efficiently, and the chain tensioning system makes adjustments hassle-free. The saw feels well-balanced and is relatively lightweight, which helps reduce arm fatigue. Using this chainsaw gave me confidence to tackle jobs I usually avoided. It's efficient, responsive, and keeps you moving forward. Have you ever wished for a powerful saw that's also easy to handle? This one fits that description perfectly. Beotree 20-inch gas chainsaw felt like a professional-grade tool at a fraction of the cost. The first thing I noticed was its quick start and steady power output, which made cutting through thick branches surprisingly effortless. The 20-inch blade gives you plenty of reach and cutting surface. This saw's design emphasizes user comfort, with anti-vibration technology and an ergonomic grip that make longer projects less tiring. Its automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated without constant attention, and the built-in safety brake adds an extra layer of protection. Cutting with the Beotree is smooth and satisfying. You can really feel the difference a quality build makes. Isn't it great when a tool feels like it was made just for you? That's exactly the experience here. Beotree gas chainsaw surprised me with its balance between power and maneuverability. At just over $100, it brings features usually reserved for pricier models. Its 18-inch cutting bar is perfect for trimming trees or cutting firewood efficiently. The engine starts easily and runs smoothly, delivering reliable power for various cutting tasks. Its lightweight frame and comfortable handle reduce strain on the hands and arms, which is a big plus for longer use sessions. The chain tensioning is straightforward, letting you get back to work without fuss. What I enjoyed most was the precision this saw offers. Cuts are clean and controlled, making your job feel professional. Have you ever felt frustrated by a saw that just doesn't respond well? This Beotree definitely avoids that problem. Jekker gas chainsaw stands out for being an incredibly affordable option without sacrificing basic functionality. I was curious how it would perform given its low price, and I was pleasantly surprised by its decent power and ease of use. It's a compact saw that's great for small to medium jobs around the yard. The 16-inch bar is ideal for pruning and light cutting tasks, and the engine starts on the first or second pull. It's lightweight, so handling it feels nimble even if you're not used to chainsaws. The design is simple but effective, with basic safety features included. Using the DCEHKR reminded me that sometimes simplicity is what you need. It's not for heavy-duty logging, but perfect for quick jobs where convenience matters most. Wouldn't it be great to have a reliable saw you can grab quickly for small tasks? Tecmu gas chainsaw impressed me with its well-rounded performance and user-friendly features. From the moment I started it up, I noticed how smoothly the engine runs and how responsive the throttle feels. This makes a big difference when precision is required. The saw sports a 19-inch bar that handles a variety of cutting jobs with ease. Its ergonomic design includes anti-vibration handles and an automatic oiling system that keeps the chain in top condition without extra effort. Safety is also prioritized with a quick-stop chain brake. Cutting with the Tecmo is satisfying and efficient, giving you confidence that the job will be done right. Doesn't it feel good to work with a tool that responds exactly as you want? This saw definitely delivers that experience. ProYama gas-powered chainsaw caught my attention immediately thanks to its robust build and solid engine performance. This is one of the few under $200 that feels like it's built for serious work. The 20-inch bar cuts through wood quickly and with little effort. Its powerful two-stroke engine starts reliably and offers consistent torque for demanding tasks. I liked the ergonomic grip and anti-vibration features, which make operating it more comfortable during longer sessions. The automatic chain lubrication is also a big plus for maintenance. Using the ProYama gave me the impression of owning a professional-grade tool that doesn't compromise on quality despite the affordable price. Who wouldn't want a chainsaw that handles tough jobs without hesitation? Opermaxer Gas Chainsaw offers a great combination of affordability and practical features. I found it very user-friendly, especially for homeowners who want a reliable saw without complicated setup. It starts easily and performs well on everyday cutting tasks like trimming branches and cutting firewood. The 18-inch bar is versatile enough for most yard work, and the chain stays sharp longer than I expected in this price range. The saw's lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easier to handle, which is important if you're not a pro. What stood out to me was how efficiently Opermaxer slices through wood with consistent power. Isn't it nice when a tool just works without fuss? This chainsaw definitely fits that bill.